Hello students, welcome to the Shishit Vidyapith School Sagar Tal Gwalior. Let's start our English class. Chapter 4, Thor. Topics: learn about the story, write questions and answers. Let's start our story. This is the overview of the story. Full story is in your book. This story is about a gang of 4 girls. ये story 4 गर्ल्स की गैंग के बारे में है. तानी, हिना, उर्वी एंड रिद्धि एंड देयर विजिट अ नेशनल पार्क, और उनके नेशनल पार्क को घूमने के बारे में ये स्टोरी है. द स्टोरी रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड थॉर हु वर इंस्पिरेबल एंड एवरीवन न्यू अबाउट देयर ग्रुप एंड फ्रेंडशिप. ये स्टोरी थॉर के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है जो कि इंस्पिरेबल है और हर कोई उनकी फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में जानता है. थॉर इन 4 गर्ल्स का एक ग्रुप है जिसका नाम है. In the beginning of the story, they were excited to know that for the first time a trip had been organized for class 4. स्टोरी के शुरुआत में वो सभी एक्साइटेड होती हैं अपनी फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रिप ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होने पर कि उसमें क्या होगा. Next day they took permission from their parents and gave their signed permission slip to their class teacher for their trip. नेक्स्ट डे वो अपने पेरेंट्स से परमिशन लेती हैं जाने के लिए, अपनी ट्रिप के लिए, और परमिशन की हुई स्लिप को अपने टीचर को देती हैं. At last the day of the trip arrived. Everyone was excited about the trip and स्पेशली थॉर. लास्ट डे उनकी ट्रिप जाती है और सभी लोग एक्साइटेड हैं. स्पेशली थॉर जो उनका ग्रुप है चारों का, वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है. द जर्नी फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू उत्तराखंड टुक ऑलमोस्ट 5 years. जो जर्नी थी दिल्ली से उत्तराखंड की वो कम से कम 5 hours की थी. Let's start question answer. What was the name of the gang of the 4 girls? Thor. What did Thor stand for? What place did they visit on the first day of the trip? The place did they visit on the second day of the trip? What animal did they see toward to end of the jeep safari? State whether the given statement are true and or false. Class 4 went to Daching National Park. The journey from Delhi to Uttarakhand took 10 hours. The class had a picnic at Carpet Waterfall. The children saw a deer and an elephant during the safari. Answer: first, Thor. Second, Thor was the name best friends Tani, Hina, Urvi and Riddhi had given to their gang of 4. On the first day of the trip, they went sightseeing. They visited the Carbet Jungle Museum, Carbet National Waterfall and Kalagra Dham. They went on a jeep safari. On the second day of the trip, they saw a hug tiger toward the end of the jeep safari. 6 true false. First one false. Class 4 went to Daching National Park. False. The journey from Delhi to Uttarakhand took 10 hours. False. The class had a picnic of Carbet National Park. True. The children saw a deer and an elephant during the safari. False. And your homework is write and learn questions and answers in your notebook. If you have any queries, so you can ask me. Thank you for watching.